A controversy that has now erupted in Tamil Nadu over the invitation of Tiruvalluvar Day from the Raj Bhavan. In this invitation, the famous poet and saint was seen in saffron-clad robes. There is also a controversy over the date of celebration. Dravidian parties who read over saffron robe questioned why did the governor decide to celebrate Tiruvalluvar Day on the 24th of May. This is not for the first time that saffron robes and vibhuti marks on Tiruvalluvar have created a row in the state. Earlier this year, on the 16th of January, Governor Ravi had paid homage to a similar picture of the saint poet.
I don't know how governor had chosen tomorrow, May 24th. As a Tiruvalluvar Day. Maybe he was living at the time of Tiruvalluvar and he prepared the Jataka of Tiruvalluvar, his birth, knowing his birth time and all. He is becoming a joker now. The governor is becoming a joker. Who said that May 24th is Tiruvalluvar Day? How can he claim that?
Every person in Tamil Nadu knows that Tiruvalluvar Day is Jan 15th, which is celebrated and it's a declared government holiday. There is no records, however, which states that tomorrow is Tiruvalluvar Day. If somebody attempt to distort history to their benefit, we strongly condemn it. But when onwards colors started being associated with religion? Does it mean that if Tiruvalluvar picture were to be in green color, in a green dhoti, would it mean minority appeasement? This kind of thoughts which show the thought of divisiveness is highly condemnable. And whoever does that intentionally, be it Raj Bhavan office or be it BJP or any political party, we strongly condemn it.
Well, the BJP, on the other hand, maintains that according to the Tamil calendar, his birthday comes in the month of Vaikashi and Anushya Star, which is falling tomorrow, or rather today, which is the 24th of May. The saffron parties claim that DMK politicizes every issue as they want to stay politically relevant.
See, the original birthday of Tiruvalluvar, if you look in the Tamil calendar, it comes in the month of Vaigasi, Anusha Natchatram, which falls tomorrow, the 24th of May, is when the actual birthday of Tiruvalluvar is. But as always, DMK has a history of changing the dates of various Tamil festivals because they have no belief in the Tamil culture and they don't have no belief in the existence of Hindu gods. I should specify the word Hindu gods because they believe in the existence of gods of other religions. But Hindu gods don't exist according to the DMK. So they've changed the date of the Tamil New Year. They've changed the date of Tiruvalluvar's birthday.
All right, political reactions coming in. We also have Varshni joining us live. Good morning to you, Varshni. How are we looking at this invite, rather, that has created a controversy?
Very well, good morning to you too. This has definitely created a row in the state of Tamil Nadu because it's not the first time this is happening. The DMK and its government has been constantly opposing the governor for trying to portray Tiruvalluvar in a saffron robe because in January, when actually the Tiruvalluvar Day is celebrated in the state of Tamil Nadu, and it's been celebrated for many years now, it is even a declared public holiday on January 15th. And that time, the governor of Tamil Nadu, R.N. Ravi, had put out a social media post which depicted Tiruvalluvar in a saffron robe, and he had called him the greatest saint of the Bharatiya Sanatan tradition, which created a huge stir, and all the Dravidian outfits came out and opposed him very severely, which grew into a big controversy, and the government and the governor went into a big loggerheads. And right now this is again coming up because when a state is celebrating the anniversary of Tiruvalluvar for ages now, all of a sudden changing Tiruvalluvar Day into May 24 is what is very questionable at this point because there was nothing official spoken about this. And in fact, if you see what more interesting is that the government and the government officials are also not been invited to this event. Rather, it is a celebration by the governor himself, and the Tiruvalluvar associations and outfits that follow his traditions in the state are only going to attend this function, which is going to be happening today in the evening around 5 p.m. So it is going to definitely create a controversy in the state because why is suddenly Tiruvalluvar Day being celebrated in the state by the governor, who is actually the head of the,
Well, this is the invitation that has sparked a massive row and a debate. We are looking at how the opposition parties are criticizing the governor for this invite. Varshni, thank you very much. We'll come back to you with more political reactions.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile?
It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also. But plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM+ टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।